I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. So nakikita natin dito talaga yung init, no, ng inyong pagsasamahan. Meron pa ditong nag-hold back eh. Parang meron pa ditong hindi ipinapakita yung best. Pero nandun yung emotion, no? Nandun yung pakiramdam na eto na to. Eto na yung romance, yung pag-ibig para sa amin. It just so happened na ayoko pang masyadong ibigay, itodo. Ayokong ipahalata dahil baka, either magsawa or baka ma-overwhelm ko, no? Marami tayong factors na pwedeng iniisip dito, no? Pwede nga kasi pag binigay na natin yung best, baka mamaya maghanap siya, in the latter future na, so yun na pala yun, no? Kapag kinailangan natin na mag-effort pa, kung naibigay na natin yung 100%, paano pa tayo makakapagbigay? Actually, that makes sense. Or, ayoko kasi baka mamaya masyadong mahalata na mahal ko itong relasyon na ito, baka this relationship or that emotion may be used against me. Para kasing meron din ditong nagawa ko na ito before, no? Na ginamit itong pag-ibig ko, no? At yung pagkaseryoso ko sa pag-ibig, ginamit para mag-take advantage of me. So, parang sinasabi mo dito, hihinay-hinayin ko lang. The Empress, the King of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Bakit parang kasi hindi nga dito sinasabi. I feel like meron ditong separation in a way. Kung hindi ito separation na nangyari, pwede rin naman kasing this is an LDR, no? A long distance relationship. Pero para kasing meron din ditong kaya ako nakipagrelasyon, somewhat may similarity sila nung ex ko. So hindi ko gusto yung ganong thinking, no? Na baka kasi mahal mo pa yung ex mo, no? Yung ganun. Pwedeng ikaw yung nagtatanong, baka kaya mo ako ginawa, hawig kami nung ex mo. Baka kaya, parang Justin Bieber, no? Or meron kaming similarity, no? Ayoko maging parakit butas. Ayoko mag-feed ng fantasy because lumapit ka lang sa akin for the sake of na-feed yung fantasy, no? It is safe for you to love. Parang inuudyok dito ni universe na kung ano man yung nangyayari, kung ano man yung nagiging dahilan nito, ni person, wag mong hayaan na maging hindrance yun, no? Para wag mag-express ng emotion. Maging hindrance yun, para kasi magiging self-sabotage ito in a way. Kasi kung deserve naman ni person, no, yung love na pwede mong ibigay, I think it is much better for the person to know, to feel, uh, kesa yung pinipigilan natin. It's kasi kung pinipigilan natin yung ating emotion, nasasaktan natin yung sarili natin kasi gusto natin mag-express, and somewhat it's unfair for the other person kasi you know that they deserve, no, to be treated more than what you are expressing, no? So parang double-edged card na nasasaktan mo sarili mo, nasasaktan mo rin siya in a way na hindi niya alam. On the other hand, kaya mo yung ginagawa is putting a wall, no? Medyo mahirap nga yung ganyan situation. The Page of Swords, the Strength card, the Four of Cups. So I think that yung fear mo dito is baka kasi nga manawa, baka kasi nga hindi pa ito, no? I think what you are wanting in here is to feel that you are secured, no? Yun lang yung nakikita natin. Kasi parang feeling natin, since hindi ko pa alam kung secured ako dito sa relationship na to, kaya hindi ko ine-express. That makes sense. And I feel like kailangan ma-feel mo yung security na ito na rin yung tao, no, na panghabang buhay kasi nararamdaman mo na yun sa kanya. Ayaw mo kasi dito na you're gonna be thrown under the bus, no? Again, no, if that happened to you in the past. The Four of Cups is clarified with the King of Swords and the Fool card. So, somewhat, baka meron tayo nakikitang immaturity kay person. This could be a judgment, no? From us. This can be a judgment that might atin lang, no? Parang atin lang itong impressions na ito. Pero if we're going to look at our person's heart and observe them thoroughly, no? Mararamdaman mo yung sincerity. Mararamdaman mo that this is not just about baka nagkataon lang, no? Magkahawig kayo ng ex niya or meron kayong similarity some way, baka nagkataon lang, no? Pwede rin naman kasi, no? Yung mga pangyayari, mga situations na merong similar, pero hindi yun sinasadya. With the playfulness, so ayan, dito papasok yung siguro meron ka rin, kung may similarity, meron ding hindi kayo similar. So, I feel like yun yung kailangan nating i-enhance, no? Yung mas kailangan nating i-highlight kay person. If that is your doubt, no, na I may be just a panakit butas, no? Dahil hawig nga ako or may similarity. So, i-highlight ko kung ano yung iba sa akin, no? Pwedeng in person, sino ba pwede kong gawing example? Yeah, before, no? Si Nadine Lustre and Catherine Bernardo, no? They look the same at first, di ba? Up until someone reinvented themselves, Nadine Lustre, no? So, kung na-identify ako as someone, I need to get my own identity na, lalo na nauna yung isa, no? And reinventing themselves, ngayon parang hindi na masyado magkahawig, no? Kasi nag-iba yung image, mas much daring, no? Si Nadine, more into mature roles, no? Before, lalo na nung she's trying to separate herself, no? So parang ganon. Up until parehas ngayon silang, may pangalan, di ba? Parehas silang sumikat. Naalis na yung comparison. So I think that is what you need to also do. So, kung nako-compare ako, for sure meron din akong kakaiba, no? Hindi 100% magkaparehas kami. And that's what I need to highlight um, to actually mark myself, no, kay person. With the Four of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Three of Cups. Huwag tayong panghinayangan, no? Huwag tayong mawalan din ng pag-asa kasi makikita natin dito every time na naiisip natin or kino-compare natin mismo, tayo mismo, yung sarili natin sa ex niya, um, mas lalo tayo nawawalan ng gana. No? I think that this is the message we're in. Kailangan mo sa sarili mo to find your root, to ground yourself, and enhance more of what you can offer and what, bakit ka unique. No? And I am seeing here, with regard to the emotion of your person, the Two of Cups in here, parang totoo naman. No? With the Three of Cups, actually proud nga siya na ikaw yan. Na ikaw na yung bago niya. No? So, this is your reading. Pero bago po natin tingnan yung zodiac sign, I want you to know na kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you do have some personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Leo. I am seeing Aries, Aquarius, Scorpio is here. I am seeing Taurus. Again, this is your reading. Maraming salamat, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.